Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching the live tour of Taipei Cycle 2022, the second largest bicycle show in the world. And it's your guide, Raymond, here. I'm very excited to be able to explore some of the most innovative products from the global cycling industry. And here I am at DP Motors, and standing next to me is DP Motors Vice President Jacko. Jacko, say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And Jacko, would you start by introducing DP Motors a little bit to our viewers?
DP Motors was started on 2018.
2018.
Then we want to provide the better and the efficiency motor to all the suppliers. All the components is made in Taiwan. So we can avoid the anti-dumping for Europe. So at this moment, we have the production line in Taiwan, Taichung. And we have the two middle motor face the market. The one is the N18, and the other one is N65.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can provide the customer to produce the city bike was MTB, just like.
All right. Okay. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's based in Taichung, Taiwan. It's 100% MIT, made in Taiwan. And next we're going to find out what DP Motors got for us this year. Let's find out. Yeah, Jacko, we know that DP Motors is very famous for its super powerful drive motor systems. And we could see a few here. So next, Jacko, would you please introduce them to our viewers?
We have two main items. The one is N80.
This one here.
Yeah, this one. The power is 350 watts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the torque can be with 18 Newton meter.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
And this one is M60.
Okay.
And the watt is 200 watts.
200 watts.
Yeah, this one is 200 watts.
All right.
Can be used for the city bike.
You can use this one in your city bikes. Okay.
Yeah.
200 watts. All right.
And this two is a new production.
Oh, okay. New ones from DP Motors, everybody.
Yes, and this one can be 750 watts.
What? Once again, 750?
Yes.
Okay, and
yes.
this is only 200. Okay. This is super large.
Yes. So this one can be faced to the mountain bike. Yes.
Wow.
More powerful.
More powerful. And it's very impressive. And yeah, before we go, Jacko, do you have anything that you would like to share with our viewers?
If you want to use the DP Motors, you can search our website and contact us. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much to Jacko. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to find out more about DP Motors, go to their website or log on to Taipei Cycle 2022 website. You can find out more information about DP Motors. Next time you climb up to the mountains, remember, DP Motors is by your side. So thank you once again, Jacko.
Thank you.
Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.